I saved it, and I really like the idea. And I have a big giant box because I'm a hoarder, and I decided that that's what I'll do with it. Here's my box. We have some artificial flowers that I got from the dollar store, and some miscellaneous decorations left over from my Valentine's Day gift, and some moss sheets that I also got from the dollar store, used previously on my wall, a glue stick, paint brushes, King Art pens, and color pencils. And let's get started. First, we're going to tape this back up how I originally had it so it'll be more stable. Maybe electrical tape only sticks to electrical items. Like that. Now we're going to slide this to the bottom. Originally, she did it with like white cardboard from the dollar store. However, I'm just gonna paint it whatever colors, or I'm gonna get like sheet paper and lay that over it for like, I can do any color that I want to, like that, for any photo shoot I want to, for any product I want to. Yes. Now we're going to deconstruct the moss poster. Originally I said while the glue gun is warming up we'll have a talk, but I shot the whole video. It wasn't in the camera everything. Don't be looking down. I'm just looking at these questions I've collected off of the internet. What is your name and the name of your channel? So I won't be releasing my name, but this is comedic poetry. What does the name of your channel mean? When we talk about flowetry, we're talking about the flow of your body, the flow of your thought process. Mind you, your thoughts can't flow if you're not conscious. And we're also talking about comedic, science, history, knowledge, wisdom, and basically truth. We're talking about those Hamites, those comedic ancestors from ancient Egypt, those black people from ancient Egypt. And that would be the earliest origin that I'm aware of, beyond the creation of the universe, the first expansion of consciousness. Where are you from? I'm from Pennsylvania. Why did you start a YouTube channel? So I started a YouTube channel because my boyfriend suggested it, but prior to that, I also had people come to me about talking about different stuff that they liked that I was doing, and asked when I was going to start sharing these things, and that interested me for a while, but it was my boyfriend that really encouraged me to start. What will your channel be about? Why do these videos? I put a lot of thought and articulation into answering these kinds of questions, or that kind of question, prior to even starting the channel, so I just want to read it off just to stay genuine and true to that flow of thought. Doing these videos will push me to actually advance in my own personal life so that I may consistently and confidently bring to you all what may help advance you all in your lives, so that we both, or we all, may be prepared to accomplish each of our ultimate goals of total health, wealth, life, liberation. I may also want to use this platform as a positive outlet for expressing who it is I desire to be and am aiming toward each day. This kind of person is loving, kind, brutally honest, appreciative, marriage-minded, intelligent, and faithful. I forgot to mention mindful. Who is my target audience? Anybody who's looking into this information at that particular time, but you know who you are if you're supposed to be here for the long haul.
This is the unfinished finished look. Absolutely will not be leaving the background cardboard brown.
I went ahead and got the color cardboard, and now I can do what I want.
And don't forget, we can remove that bottom piece and use the color cardboard mirrors, or like maybe even fabric right there too.
the studio box and cut according to that. You see between the paper in the corners and along the bottom, and that's mostly because for time's sake I didn't double tape down the boards. I kind of just placed them, but to ensure seamless look for these, I suggest putting it in manually in a photo editing app like PixArt or even Keynote. But guys, I really enjoyed this project, and it took me about 3 days to finish, but I love it, and it's so versatile, and it's gonna do everything that I needed to do anyways, and I hope it'll help you all out too. Peace, family. See you in the next one.
Being hot. Glue stick. My glue stick.